Okay, just a quick note, no? Hindi ako nakaka-vlog lately, okay? Kasi there's so many things going on. Well, first with my business, with my work. Yun nga, pinapagawa yung bikutan, biglang pinaputol yung puno, yung where the house is, where my dogs are. And then doon kami magla-live selling. And then of course, ino-organize ko yung bikutan to be a perfect place again because I wanna live there. Because of the ano no, yung pagbenta ng plaka kasi gusto ko pag may bibili ng plaka, pwede silang tumambay doon. They can have wine, snacks, and or beer, cold beer, no, while listening to the music that they want. So yun ang gusto kong gawin doon. It's a new project which I haven't really which I am so hesitant to Tsaka lang. Okay. And then also tawag dito I'm forming an elite team sa real estate, no? Ina-activate ko uli yung real estate kasi parang in the longest time, I haven't been working really. So hindi ko pinag-iinitan yung real estate. So now I'm really concentrating on it to get the contacts, yung mga matitinik kong broker, no? And then the production team, minahire na ako, nakukuha ng mga videos and para pang-boosting sa Facebook and sa YouTube. Uh, it's hard. Yes, it's hard because binubuo ko dalawang negosyo, no? The Miko's Vinyl Store. Hindi ko alam kung Miko's Vinyl Store, Miko's Record Bar. Kukuha pa ako ng ano diyan, kukuha pa ako ng permit. Not really permit, no? Well, I don't know. Kasi personal naman yan eh. I don't know if I need a permit for that or not. No? Parang nagbibenta ka ng appliances. Pag nagbibenta ka man lumang appliances, kailangan may permit. So, yung mga yon, no? And then, may nakuusap din akong mag-i-import sa akin sa Japan ng crates na plaka. Because kung magbibenta ako ng plaka, I need some replenishing. Kasi ayoko yung mauubos yung plaka ko na wala na ako maibibigay na bago. Maraming ganyan ha. Maraming record bar na nagbibenta na nauubusan ng bala. Kasi inuubos ko rin yung ano nila, yung mga alam kong hard to find, yung mga box set. Pero ngayon may supplier na ako sa Japan and I know where to get them. I know where to buy them. Just in case, no? I'm not then marami ako CDs, grabe. Yung CDs, I need a lot of prepare. Ilan yung CDs? Siguro yung mga CDs ko, what? Estimate ko doon, siguro mga 6,000. Yan, mga 6,000 yung CDs. The plaka na parang hawak namin ngayon, nasa inventory, it's already 3,400. Then I still have a lot here. Then meron pa ako sa Subic. And then meron pa ako sa kwarto ko. And then meron pa akong crates sa bodega dito. Siguro 5,000. 5,000 yung mga plaka. Anyway, parang I'm so hesitant. Really, it's to get me going. Siguro that's what's bothering me as well, no? I'm hesitant to push both of this because I don't know. Probably hindi na ako sanay magtrabaho. Or parelax-relax ako for the last 2 years. Or masakit sa loob ka magbenta ng plaka. Or And then I'm also, of course, like selling my properties as well. Okay? Uh, I really need to work. The problem is, ito no, the problem is, um, ang daming ang daming events na which is like medyo naguguluhan ako. Now, what do you call that? Naguguluhan. I'm parang worrisome, okay? One is, of course, natapos yung election, no? Then, kasi pinalipas ko muna talaga yung election. Because you don't know what's gonna happen. There might be a coup d'etat, there might be a martial law, there might be, uh, all of this. So far naman, it was a peaceful election. Thank you. Tapos na yun. But, now, here comes the impeachment trial. Actually, I shouldn't be bothered by it, but nakakaano ng economic it makes our economy unstable, para lang doon sa mga friends ko na may politician. Itigil nyo na, pwede. Itigil nyo na. Ano ba gagawa nyo kung sigurado naman hindi ma-impeach Sara kasi ang dami niyang hawak na senador doon. Napanalo niya lang 5 na, paano pa yung dati niya? Ando pa si Robin Padilla, ando pa yung mga Villar, ando pa yung Cayetano. Di ba? Ando pa yung mga Estrada. Mig Subiri, siyempre kaaway nila yan. Di ba? Anyway, so ang point ko lang is, I don't know, why are we, instead of focusing on the economy, why are we focusing on the freaking politics? You know what? I'm really sick and tired of it. Hindi ako nagko-comment sa politics. Sumisingit lang ako doon sa mga yung mga postings ng Daily Inquirer na nagpapatawa na lang ako. Iniinsulto ko na lang sila. Yung para bang gano'n, no? Because tapos yung peace and order. My God. Yung peace and order, ang daming patayan, ang daming sinasagasaan, ang daming hino-hold up, ang daming, it is so scary now to go out. So, yan pa isa, no? Especially, kung nasa village ka, na may gwardiya, you're okay. But, hindi mo rin masabi, no? Paano kung patayin yung gwardiya? Eto nga, dito sa kondo ko, there was a time, may kumakatok, nagwawala, yung pala, ewan ko, yung pala, inaatake na sa puso yung kapitbahay ko. All of this shit. And then, ito yung sinasabi ko, nag-worrisome ako, no? And then, yung mga COVID, no? Of course, that's another thing. Predicted ko na naman yan na maraming mamamatay. Mahirap tanggapin, nalulukot pa rin ako kasi death after death. Then namatay na naman si Freddy Aguilar. I guess it's every 3 days, every 1 week may namamatay na sikat. Alam mo, ibig sabihin, pag may namamatay na sikat, ibig sabihin, marami rin namamatay na hindi sikat. Right? Hindi lang pwede sikat lang namamatay. Marami diyang hindi sikat na namamatay na hindi lang na-advertise. Okay? So, expect dying to be a part of this year and in the next coming years. Kung ako sa inyo, ito masabi ko sa inyo, focus on your health. Focus on the supplement. Okay? If you want to fight off the vaccine side effects, then, ano ba yung RNA? Nakalimutan ko na eh. Pero kasi hindi ako nagpa-vaccine. So, I really don't need to worry about it. The side effects, no? And then, wala naman ako sakit. Hopefully, no? But, I take all my supplements. I take garlic. Raw garlic all the time. So, take care of your health. That's one thing I can advise you. Pag nagugulan kayo sa buhay nyo, focus on your health. Yun lang. Wala na iba. Iba pa yung mga emotional traumas, iba pa yung nalulugi ka sa negosyo na hindi natutuloy, merong mga may utang sa iyo na hindi nagbabayad. So many things affecting our lives, di ba? So, ang masabi ko lang is, we have to go on. We need to fight. Because we don't have any choice. Our choice is to survive, and that's it. You know, you survive, and you go on, then we die. Yun lang naman ang kwento ng buhay natin. Pinanganak tayo, we live, then we die. That's it. Pero minsan nakakalimutan natin na we are dying. We think we're gonna live for what? 100 years? No. So, the important thing is take care of your health and be happy internally. Be content. Contentment is very important. And inner peace. Okay? Importante yon. Naguguluhan kayo, get out. Or matulog kayo the whole day. Something's bothering you, tulugan nyo or get out. Go out of town alone and think. Yun ang solution doon. No? Lahat tayo may problema. I don't think so ako lang may problema. Marami tayo may problema. So why should I be ba't ako maawa sa sarili ko? So marami dyan, mas maraming problema. So I think that's it, no? I just want to update you what's happening. Update on what I'm doing. Ang problema kasi sa dami ng gamit ko, non-stop na akong, alam mo ba, ang dami dyan boxes na equipment na hindi ko pa nabubuksan. So I need to stop it. I need to sell it. I need to dispose. Yan. Ayoko na. I don't want to be trapped with material things. Properties, gadget, shoes. I need to get away from it. I need to get away from it. It's making me a slave. Okay? Yan, yung mga plaka ko. No? So I'm trying to sell them because like, hindi ko mapigilan sarili ko pag nakakita ako ng thrift store na talagang mag-uukay ako ng plaka para makita ko kung may tanga dyan na hindi niya alam na hard to find yun. Yun It's a bargain hunting. It's like collecting coins na akala mo, hahanap ka ng ano ba yung hard to find? Yung 1998 ba yun? 1999 coins? So yung mga ganon, no? Iniisip mo may tanga, then baka nandoon makukuha mo ng mura. So yun yung adrenaline rush na no? Anyway, so I think that's it. Wala na akong sabi. Just updating you of doon sa yung about kay Kinora, no? Na-interview na si Jan Rendes ni Julius Babaw. So probably we'll discuss that. After after this opening ng after this week is really busy. May tinatapos akong renovation sa BGC. May birthday magse-celebrate. Then magla-live selling kami sa linggo. Sa vinyl, it will be live. So watch out for it, no? Our live selling would be on Sunday. It would be live on my Facebook. And then plus the Mikos Vinyl page. Plus we might go live also on YouTube. I don't have TikTok. So it's mostly, I don't know. If you have friends who wants to buy vinyl, plaka or CD, we will do it on a Sunday. I think it's between 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. And every 20 minutes, we will give one vinyl or CD for free. Pero unahan, kunyari, random, lalabas ko. O ito, free. Type, ganito, type the artist name and the album. Yun, kung sino yung una yung makauna, then siya panalo. So we will give, kunyari, 3 hours yun. So that's like, we will give 9 albums for free or CD, no? So watch out for it. So, and then we will sell it cheap. We will sell it cheap. We will have like mga Japanese jazz na for only like what 50 pesos, 100 pesos na so Sunday 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay? That's it.